For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to host events on Discord. Before we begin, make sure that you have the permission on your server to create events. If you don't have, then simply ask the server owner to adjust your role permission to allow you to create events. But if you're the server owner, then you can simply create an event. To do this, go to the server that you'll host the event. Next, click on the server name at the upper left part. In the pop-up window, select Create Event. Now select where your event is. It's either on a voice channel or somewhere else. For now, let's just select voice channel. Next, select the channel and then click the next button. In here, enter the event topic, the start date, the start time, and the event frequency. You can also add a description on the event and add a cover image if you like. Click Next and then review the details of your event. Once done, click Create Event and you should all be set. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.